For many travelers, Spain is defined by its sun-drenched Mediterranean beaches, lively coastal resorts, and famous islands. Yet beyond the Costas lies another Spain, one of medieval cities, dramatic mountain ranges, rolling plains, and timeless villages that reveal a quieter and more authentic side of the country. While millions of visitors head to destinations along the Mediterranean each year, Spain's vast interior remains surprisingly overlooked. Here, ancient landscapes stretch toward distant horizons, historic towns preserve centuries of history, and quiet roads lead through regions where tradition continues to shape everyday life. One of the country's most remarkable inland regions is Castilla y León, where sweeping plains meet rugged mountains and some of Spain's finest medieval cities stand almost unchanged. The immense scale of the landscape creates breathtaking panoramas, with castles, monasteries, and centuries-old villages rising above fields that seem to extend endlessly toward the horizon. Traveling through Castilla y León reveals a remarkable sense of history. Walled towns, magnificent cathedrals, and beautifully preserved architecture tell the story of a region that played a central role in shaping Spain, while quiet streets and traditional plazas offer a slower rhythm rarely found in the country's busiest tourist destinations. Further southwest, Extremadura presents one of Spain's greatest hidden treasures. Vast natural landscapes, Roman ruins, medieval fortresses, and peaceful countryside combine to create a destination where history and nature exist in remarkable harmony. From elevated viewpoints, Extremadura's rolling hills, reservoirs, and ancient stone towns reveal sweeping scenery that has changed little over the centuries. Away from the crowds, travelers often discover quiet villages where local traditions remain an important part of everyday life. Another spectacular destination is Aragon, where dramatic mountain ranges, deep valleys, and historic settlements create some of inland Spain's most breathtaking scenery. The region stretches from the Pyrenees to wide open plains, offering extraordinary landscapes that remain surprisingly uncrowded. The changing terrain of Aragon rewards every journey. Towering peaks, winding rivers, medieval villages, and panoramic mountain roads reveal an ever-changing landscape that showcases the remarkable diversity found across Spain's interior. Hidden among central Spain's limestone cliffs lies the remarkable city of Cuenca, famous for its spectacular hanging houses perched high above dramatic river gorges. Surrounded by forests and rugged natural scenery, the city combines extraordinary architecture with one of Spain's most striking landscapes. Seen from above, Cuenca appears to rise naturally from the surrounding cliffs. Its narrow streets, ancient stone buildings, and dramatic location create unforgettable panoramic views that reveal why it has become one of Spain's most treasured historic cities. One of the greatest surprises about inland Spain is the sheer variety of its landscapes. Rolling vineyards, mountain passes, vast agricultural plains, rugged canyons, and peaceful forests all exist within a relatively short distance of one another, creating endless opportunities for exploration. These changing landscapes also reveal how closely Spain's history has been shaped by its geography. Ancient trade routes, fortified towns, and isolated communities developed across mountains and plains, leaving behind a remarkable cultural heritage that continues to define the country's interior today. Traveling beyond the coast also offers a different pace of life. Local markets, traditional cafes, quiet village squares, and family-run businesses provide visitors with opportunities to experience everyday Spain in a way that feels genuine and welcoming. For those willing to leave the beaches behind, Spain's interior reveals a country of extraordinary beauty, where dramatic scenery, remarkable history, and enduring traditions combine to create unforgettable experiences far removed from the busy coastal resorts. Yet the landscapes are only the beginning. Beyond the mountains, plains, and medieval cities lies an even deeper story of forgotten villages, regional traditions, spectacular natural parks, and timeless communities that continue to preserve the true heart of inland Spain. Beyond Spain's dramatic interior landscapes lies a rich cultural heritage that many visitors never experience. Away from the famous beaches and bustling coastal resorts, ancient towns, quiet mountain villages, and vast natural landscapes reveal a Spain where history, tradition, and everyday life remain closely connected. One remarkable region is La Rioja, known around the world for its vineyards but offering far more than exceptional wine. Rolling hills, medieval villages, historic monasteries, and peaceful river valleys combine to create landscapes that are as beautiful as they're timeless. Traveling through La Rioja reveals panoramic views across vineyards that stretch toward distant mountains. Stone villages, quiet country roads, and centuries-old churches create an atmosphere where the pace of life encourages visitors to slow down and appreciate the landscape. Further west lies Soria, one of Spain's least populated provinces and one of its greatest hidden treasures. Vast forests, open plains, dramatic river gorges, and remarkably preserved medieval towns offer a peaceful side of Spain that remains largely untouched by international tourism. The immense sense of space found throughout Soria creates unforgettable scenery. Quiet roads wind through rolling countryside, ancient castles overlook broad valleys, and traditional villages continue to preserve customs that have shaped the region for generations. Another spectacular destination is the Sierra de Gredos, where towering granite peaks rise above crystal-clear rivers, alpine meadows, and deep mountain valleys. The dramatic scenery provides some of central Spain's finest natural landscapes while remaining surprisingly uncrowded throughout much of the year. From elevated viewpoints, the scale of the Sierra de Gredos becomes even more impressive. Mountain ridges extend toward the horizon while winding roads follow valleys carved over thousands of years, creating breathtaking panoramas that reward every journey through the region. Hidden throughout Spain's interior are countless historic towns protected by ancient walls and overlooked by impressive castles. Their narrow streets, traditional architecture, and peaceful plazas preserve a sense of history that feels remarkably authentic, offering visitors an opportunity to experience Spain beyond its most familiar landmarks. These smaller communities are also ideal places to experience regional cuisine. Family-run restaurants proudly serve traditional dishes prepared with locally sourced ingredients, reflecting culinary traditions that have been passed down through generations and remain an important part of local identity. The changing seasons bring new character to Spain's interior. Spring fills valleys with wildflowers, summer offers long evenings beneath clear skies, autumn transforms vineyards and forests into rich shades of gold and crimson, while winter brings crisp mountain air and occasional snow to the higher elevations. Exploring inland Spain by road reveals one unforgettable panorama after another. Scenic mountain passes, winding river valleys, historic villages, and expansive landscapes create journeys where the drive itself becomes every bit as memorable as the destinations along the way. As more travelers begin looking beyond Spain's famous beaches, these remarkable inland regions are finally receiving the recognition they deserve. They offer not only extraordinary scenery but also a deeper understanding of the country's remarkable history, regional diversity, and enduring traditions. Ultimately, Spain is far more than its celebrated coastline. Its true character is equally found across mountain ranges, medieval towns, rolling plains, and timeless villages where centuries of history remain woven into the landscape. For those willing to venture beyond the Costas, Spain reveals a quieter and more authentic world filled with breathtaking scenery, welcoming communities, and unforgettable journeys through the heart of one of Europe's most diverse and captivating countries.